Right then, so I carried on with wiring yesterday, on Sunday now, like, so I just have a few more hours on it and then get off home. But yeah, so I've got quite a bit run through boat. Some are going to where they need to go, some are just running and I'll have to tee off to come down. I haven't run any LED light ones yet. So they're all to be done, just stuff like nav lights on, vehicle and stuff. I've labelled them all anyway, so I've got tunnel light, radiator pump on, 12 volt igniter for ob, USBs, yeah, so it's getting there. It's going to be a long drawn out job, but as you know, when you start running like 500 metre rolls of wire into a boat, it's not going to be a 2-minute job. But anyway, crack on. This stuff seems to be working alright though with this printer. It's this heat shrink, so keep them all labelled so I'll know what, because it might be months until I wire them up. At least then I'm not trying to remember what's what, or I mean I've used masking tape and pen ink past like, and it's what I call it, just to get damaged and what have you, so that's a waste of time. And then, well, I've used different coloured tapes and then you end up with a book and then trying to find out what different colour, you know, like using 3 different coloured tapes or 4 different coloured tapes, and then look in your book and see what you know, that colour is for. But it's easier just to read them, so just what do you call it? See how it goes. Anyway. Alright then, welcome to another weekend on LUNAR. Right, so basically today I've been running a load of wires. I just didn't bother videoing it, it's just like proper just getting my head into it. But yeah, anyway, so I've got quite a lot run, as you can see. They're all paired up, different sizes. Some of it's, like I previously said, some of it's 4mm, a bit lighter for lighting. So I'm just running them all, and then I've been putting switches in. Give me a quick look. So what we've got: cabin, living room, whichever way you want to call it, dinette, and then kitchen, and they're all 2-way switching. So apart from dinette's just going to be a straight on and off, so there'll be 3 switches here. So I've got them all, I don't know if you can actually see, they're all labelled up anyway, common L1, L2, so that should be, and then I've run wires just along. I'll come out just up on the line, so I can run it then, just daisy chain it all. Got kitchen lights, same pretty much. That's how it's going to be pretty much everywhere. So yeah. So now I'll let you watch a bit, and then but it's pretty much same old all day. Just putting wires together in pairs, pulling them all on, marking them all up, heat shrinking them. So it's pretty much same old. But just so I've just printed some stickers. Well, they're not stickers, it's actually heat shrink. So I'm just like putting them on lines. I'm just calling it toilet. Bathroom's going to be toilet. It's just I didn't want to abbreviate by B. Just putting B room, because then it's like trying to work out if it's bedroom or bathroom or. So just keep it so I can easily work it out later. Because it might be months before I wire some of it up. So, oh. Like one of them, pretty monotonous. Same old, just well, it is what it is, I suppose, got to be done. And done right, that's the thing, because it's last thing you want is a dodgy wire, so that's going to cause you massive problems. It's just run them all at right size and make sure all connections are right. Anyway, so I've joined a bit later, so get a bit more done. Alright, see you then. Bye.